Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video. If you're one of my 10 subscribers, thank you for watching my videos. Today we'll be making fish sauce. Let's get started. But first, here's my ingredients. Mackerel, cooked deboned mackerel, thyme, curry powder, raw cube, oil, garlic powder and salt, tomatoes, onions and scotch bonnets all blended up together. You can adjust it to your taste. And broccoli for garnish. Let's cook. In a warm pan, add your oil, then I'm going to fry my mix. Stir that around a bit. Now I'm going to season. Now it's time to season. Taste and adjust your seasoning. Now let my sauce cook for 5 minutes. And you can tell it's done when the oil starts to come back up. At this point, you can taste and adjust the seasoning. But mine's just right. At this point, I can now add my mackerel. Stir that in. Now allow this to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Since the mackerel's already cooked, so it doesn't need that much longer. Okay, so while my sauce is cooking, I'll prep my broccoli. Don't throw away the stalk. You can regrow this by pushing it in water. I'll add some hot water. And add some salt. ready. Now I'm going to turn up the heat. Smells great too. It's been 3 to 5 minutes, so it's now time to take the broccoli out of the water. I'll be serving this with boiled Irish potatoes. Okay, now coming to the end of the video. Can you like, share, comment, and subscribe for things like this. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.